My blog Guaranchal. It is located in the northern highlands of Peru, in the region of La Libertad. Activities: visit the main square, take walk through the countryside, visit thermal baths and waterfalls. Guaranchal is a great and beautiful destination. Visitors like nice hill range and sky surroundings in this charming place, where the lifestyle is completely relaxing and safe. Positive sentences. Eh, there is a beautiful waterfall in Guaranchal. There are picturesque mountains in this town. There is great thermal baths for tourists. There are nice and fresh places to visit. There is a quiet main square in the center. Negative sentences. There is a polluted atmosphere in this countryside. There is a large freedom of a modern sofa in the countryside cabin. There are boring places in the something destination. Comparative sentences. There is a more charming lifestyle in Guaranchal than in this city. There are fresher hills in this town than on the coast of Peru. There is calmer environment here than crown these places. There are more fascinating waterfalls here than in other districts. There is a large this main school here than small villages. Superlative sentences. There is more fans than things malvans in this region. There are the more charming tales routes fans for visitors. There are the sunscreen in the beautiful destination. Thanks.